I lost Freddie, my husband of 20 years, in the explosion on August 4, and it will be the hardest thing I will ever experience. The pain, I learned to manage the pain. We all learn to manage the pain, but the pain gets deeper every day because of his absence. The pain is almost physical because we miss him so much, and we miss building memories with him. This is what pains us the most as a family. I hope justice will prevail one day. This is why I'm still standing. This is why I wake up every morning, to be able to look at my son's eyes. I have two sons who lost their father, their role model, and tell them that despite what happened, we live in a world where impunity is not a culture, where each guilty party pays for his mistakes and his crimes.